Mainly because I think that all songwriters, anybody that knows musicians and songwriters, they certainly don't do it for the money. I've got a little bit of feedback, Ryan, just a hair. Hey. All right, that's good. They don't really do it for the money. They do it because it makes their heart feel good, or because they have a story to tell. And so this first song that I'm going to play is actually a song written by Guy Clark. And it is about just that very thing, which is writing songs. And what it means, it's called Cold Dog Soup. Yeats and jeans, got up to play guitar and sing in some joint in Mission Beach last night. And at the door sat Tom Waits in the pork pie and silver skates, juggling 3 collection plates, Jesus Christ. And Townes Van Zandt was standing at the bar, he's skinning some Hollywood movie star, and he can't remember where he parked his car, or to whom he gave his keys. Full of angst and hillbilly haiku, what's those poor Fort Worth boys to do? Go on and rhyme something for me, show 'em how you really feel. But there ain't no money in poetry, but that's what sets a poet free. And I've had all the freedom I can stand. Cold dog soup and rainbow pie is all it takes to get me by, fool my belly till the day I die. Cold dog soup and rainbow pie. Ginsberg and Kerouac, they're sitting in the back and they're playing Ramblin' Jack's guitar with that cowboy painted pickguard on it. And they sat in the back and they drank for free, and they rhymed orange with Rosalie. Well, that's a pride of lines to draw to. But there ain't no money in poetry, that's what sets a poet free. And I've had all the freedom I can stand. Cold dog soup and rainbow pie, it's all it takes to get me high, fool my belly till the day I die. Cold dog soup and rainbow pie. All it takes to get me by. A little cold dog soup, a little rainbow pie. get me high.